50% in the first month following the month of sale, which will be collected in March, and then 50%, 30%, and then 50% will be in the second month following the month of sale, which is April. So that means from this amount, 50% will be collected in April. So that's why we have February there, and we know it's for the collections are for April. So we put the 50% there. So we do the same calculation: 350,000 times 50%. We have 175,000. Now we're not done with February yet, because it says 50% in the second month, which is April, which we have just done, and it says the remainder in the third month, which is May, and which is one of them in question here. We asked to do for May as well. So the remainder in the third month, so we know the remainder is 20%. So we're going to take the remainder. So we're going to take for February equals to 350,000 times 20%. And there we have for the collection of February. Now we are done with the collection of February, because it says the remainder is collected in the month of May. Okay, it does not remove the decimals. Okay, and then, so we're done with February. So we know nothing else in February will be collected in June, because the remainder was collected already. Now for March, 30% in the first month following the month of sale. So that means 30% of this of March will be collected in April. So we take that times 30%, 75,000, and then it says 50% in the second month following the month of sale. So March, April, June, May. So that means 50% will be collected in May. So it equals to 250,000 times 50%. We have 125,000. And then it says the remainder in the third month following the month of sale. So for March, the third month is June, after following the month of sale. So we know that the remainder is 20%. So I'm going to take that times 20%, and we've got 50,000. And we're done with March. Now we go to April. April, 30% is in the first month following the month of sale. That means nothing for April will be collected in April. The first installment is the month following the month of sale, which is May. So we're going to collect the 30% of April in May. So we've got April. So we take 30% of April, and it's in May, you can see, and then times 30%. Got 120,000 there. And then it says 50% in the second month following the month of sale. So we've got 50% collected in June for April. So 50%, there we've got 200,000. Now the remainder is collected in the third month following the month of sale. That means for April, the remainder is collected in July. However, we are only asked to do the credit collections for April, May, and June. We're not asked for July, so we leave that one out. And that's how it always works with the debtors collection schedule or credit collections. So now we'll move on to the next month. We know that 30% will be collected in the first month following the month of sale. So nothing in May will be collected in May of the credit sales. The first installment will be collected in June, because it says in the first month following the month of sale. So we take the 30% of 500,000. And then the rest, obviously it's after June, so we're not concerned about that. And then for June, we know nothing from June will be collected in June, so we leave it at that. So that is how you do the debtors collection schedule. So that is how we calculated the total credit collections from creditors for the 3 months. I hope that has helped, and I hope that was thorough. I tried to rush through it because I didn't want the video to be too long. Otherwise, you can comment below and share this if you think others will benefit from it, and like and subscribe as well for more videos to come. Till next time, cheers.